Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far OnePlus has done a great job by reassembling the upcoming OnePlus 10 series launch, which said to be just around the corner. The upcoming flagship smartphone series from OnePlus has reportedly entered private testing in China and Europe. The OnePlus 10 series is said to be the first smartphone series to be launched with Oppo and OnePlus unified OS. A few more renders of the upcoming flagship series have surfaced online that show its complete design. We haven't heard anything about when the OnePlus 10 will be released, but it's likely going to arrive in early 2022. The OnePlus 9 series launched in March, roughly a month earlier, and the OnePlus 8 series arrived the previous year. Our guess is that OnePlus will stick to a similar release window with the OnePlus 10. Early leaks suggested that the OnePlus 10 is going to be phones wouldn't look that different from the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro that arrived earlier this year. Normally that sort of description is what we'd expect from a T-series phone. But now that the OnePlus 9T has been officially cancelled, it makes sense that OnePlus may recycle that process for the OnePlus 10 series. However, a new design for the OnePlus 10 Pro has been leaked, and this one looks quite different. If anything, this design is more reminiscent of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra's rear camera block. The design also suggests that OnePlus is dropping a camera from the OnePlus 9 Pro, since there are only 3 lenses on the back of here instead of 4. Hopefully this means there won't be another monochrome sensor, the least useful camera on the 9 Pro, which will save space and weight on the phone. The OnePlus 10 is going to see a big change for the OnePlus lineup, thanks to the company having a closer relationship with sister brand Oppo. Both companies are set to merge its respective flavors of Android, Oxygen OS and Color OS, into a single, unified smartphone operating system. OnePlus CEO Pete Lau confirmed that the OnePlus 10 will be the first OnePlus device to use the new operating system when it launches. It was also announced that older OnePlus devices, up to and including the OnePlus 8, will be able to upgrade eventually, by combining our software resources to focus on one unified and upgraded operating system for both OnePlus and Oppo devices globally. We will combine the strengths from both into one even more powerful OS, the fast and smooth, burdenless experience of Oxygen OS, and the stability and rich features of Color OS. Presumably this means that the still unnamed OS will keep the same clean gear-stock Android experience of Oxygen OS, which will be a relief to longtime OnePlus fans. A recent rumor has claimed the OnePlus 10 Pro will come with 125W charging, near doubling the 65W charging the current OnePlus phones have. That would yield a boost on charging speeds, but not actually half the charging time. That's because as wattage increases so does electrical resistance, so there comes a point where there's arguably diminishing returns. Nevertheless, increased charging speeds are to be expected from the OnePlus 10 range, while much about the camera specs will be detailed soon. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.